come with this framework, with this B framework. So let me show you what to do. Let's say you do man in the middle. You click on man in the middle. Once you just click on it, you click on execute. Now I'm sure it's capturing anything you do on the browser. Anything you do on the browser, it should be capturing it right now. Anything you do on this browser. Let's say you click, let's say you go to our deep seek. See, it gave us information that you've opened a browser. It gave us information about what you did in the browser. Let's say you open another tab and go to another website, go.com. Even if you send an email, it will show that you've sent an email. Very powerful, I'm telling you. See, man in the browser, it has recorded it. Let's refresh it so that it will give us all the information. This is very powerful.